Don't scratch the paint.
Welcome back to the S10 Life YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth and today I'm working on my 98 Bravada. Since lowering my vehicle, we have switched the wheels and tires. We did have 5th gen Camaro SS wheels on it. Now we have Firebird Pontiac. We did have to put brand new tires on it. The ones that was on it was just too small, didn't look right.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
The front does stick out a little bit, and then the back it fits almost perfect. We put countless hours in on the AC, have been polishing on the paint some. We bought some parts that is identical to my black Bravada.
Just picked up some black 98 up Bravada parts with the black 98 Bravada. Go out in a little bit. Got all 4 doors, the back hatch, front bumper, and grille.
Today, we are going to be putting drilled and slotted rotors on the front and back and ceramic brake pads because I warped my rotors and it sounds awful. It sounds so bad. It's so loud driving down the road. It is just torture. It really is. The drilled and slotted rotors allow more airflow through so the rotors don't get as hot, which prevents warping. We've never purchased drilled and slotted rotors, so we're really excited to see how they work. We will keep you updated on that as we drive it. If you really like this content, please like, comment, or subscribe. It really helps us out. We're gonna jack the car up and take the wheel off and get to our brakes. To remove lug nuts off of any S series vehicle, you need a 19mm socket or a 3/4 inch socket. First thing we're going to do is go over the brake components. This is your brake rotor, also known as a disc. This big bracket right here is my caliper.
Yeah, it was just you emphasized the purr.
Okay, well,
no, I just yeah,
caliper.
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 Caterpillar. Caliper.
Caliper. Okay.
Caliper.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar caliper.
This big bracket right here is my brake caliper. These are my brake pads. This is a dual piston caliper. This came stock. A lot of people like to convert over to these because they are the better S-Series brake. To remove the caliper from the spindle, you got to take this bolt off right here. And then down here on the bottom, there is this bolt right here. It's a smaller one, not this one, but this one. Down below it, you gotta take that off and take them out, and then this caliper will slip off right there. I'm going to turn the wheels to the left to have more space to get to these bolts.
Wow, one's way worse than the other.
And
that's a terrible sign. Wow, look how crappy that looked back there.
Yeah, you can see where it's been wearing more.
Yeah, there's the back side, there's the front side. Looks like the front was making a heck of a lot more contact. That's a rough rotor. When we bought this thing, the guy was like, yep, just put brand new brakes on it all the way around.
We're going from the stock brake pads to the ceramic carbon fiber brake pads.
We have set both ceramic brake pads down in this caliper. We've compressed the cylinders all the way down by releasing the bleeder valve and pushing on that with a wrench and pressure in general. Now we need to fit these brake pads around this disc we just put on there.
It does have brake fluid all over it, but we've got some brake cleaner that came with it, and that will take care of it.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Here we are, it's another day. It got a little bit too dark last night, so we are doing it again. I've got my back wheel off. There is a bolt right here and one right there. One right here and one right there. You're gonna take those out to get this caliper off of your rotor and disc for the back.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind.
So everything's pretty dirty right now. It's winter time. We just got done with some snow and below freezing temps. We are finally getting warmed up. Here is what they are looking like right now. They're looking pretty good. Not a lot of wear. I'm in the key cat now. They haven't warped any, which is great. That's what my issue was with why I changed these. So they haven't warped yet. They're doing great. They stop really well. Up next is our double DIN radio installation, and it is pretty awesome.
Some kind of butterfly.